Good morning this Friday, the 21st of May. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Well, it was a positive night on Wall Street. After a three-day losing streak, US equities made a comeback with the S&P 500 up 1.06%. Tech shares gained the most. Tesla and Apple gained 2% each, and Facebook and Microsoft gained over 1%. And the Bitcoin price jumped as high as 9% to $42,000 following its sudden plunge on Wednesday. And the tech-heavy Nasdaq up 1.8% to 13,535 points, while the Dow Jones also rose 0.6%. What to watch locally? Yesterday, the ASX 200 closed 1.3% ahead following its fall the previous session. Today, following the US, the Aussie share market is set to open higher, with the futures suggesting the market will rise 0.38% to 7,042 points. New data from the ABS shows that the Australian economy is in a better than expected economic position post the pandemic, as the unemployment rate fell 5.5%. The ABS data shows that the expiry of JobKeeper had no staggering impact, as this is the sixth consecutive fall of the unemployment rate since its July 2022 peak. This morning, the results of the Markit manufacturing PMI will be released. That's the Purchasing Managers Index, an economic indicator based on a monthly survey of supply chain managers that calculates the direction of the economic trends within the services and manufacturing sectors. And Australian retail sales will be released this morning. They're expected to be 1.8% by the end of the quarter due to the reopening of the Aussie state borders and a boost in consumer confidence. Also watch Qantas Airways QAN as they announce 2-year wage freezes and are offering redundancies to their international cabin crew. A few hundred jobs will be cut from Qantas international workforce in the hope of recovering from a $16 billion deficit caused by the travel restrictions. And AGMs being held today include Adelaide Brighton Cement ABC, Sydney Airport CYD and Data DDR. As for the most traded stocks by our Bell Direct clients yesterday, they were ANZ, Macquarie Group, MQG and NAB. And the most traded stocks by our advised clients yesterday was CBA, BetaShares Australia 200 ETF A200 and the Vanguard Australian Shares Index ETF VAS. Moving to commodities, well, the oil price dropped again. It fell 2.24%. So keep an eye on energy producers such as Santos STO. The fall comes as traders have been selling oil amid the news of the potential removal of the Iranian sanctions on crude oil exports. Meanwhile, the gold price rose 0.41%, copper is down 1.12%, and the iron ore is down 0.38%. Lastly, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration today, Bell Potter have maintained their buy recommendation on Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, API, following Pfizer's decision to revert back to a wholesaler distribution model later this year with an unchanged price target of $1.50. API closed yesterday at $1.17, implying a 25.7% share price growth in the year. End-to-end Codan CDA, Cash Converters International CCV and Shaver Shop Group SSG are all giving off bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. And that's all for this Friday morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.